Oh, he's off the mark. He's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Straight Drive. I am Darpan with RK sir once again. Today we will analyze match number 16, KKR versus Delhi Capitals. 438 runs have been made today, sir. And it was like a raining of sixes today. What a show by Prithvi Shaw and Shreyas Iyer. Because of them, Delhi Capitals made 228 runs in just 20 overs and they set to a target of 229 runs. So what do you think about it?
This is a ground
Yeah,
where runs are but natural, sixes are but naturals.
yeah,
Almost 15 sixes have been hit per innings. More than 1000 runs have been made in just 3 matches. So this is a very small ground, and Shreyas Iyer played captain's inning.
right.
He made 88 runs not out
Yes.
in just 38 balls. Then once again Prithvi Shaw played a perfect show,
Right.
and when he plays it's become difficult for opponents
Opponents, yeah.
to win the match, and that's what exactly happened today.
After watching today's match, I feel like there is no need of any special bowler, particularly on this ground, because every bowler was beaten so badly.
Darpan, do you want to see 36s per innings? It is good for fun. But let me say, this pitch is a graveyard for bowlers.
Bowler, yeah.
No bowler would like to play match here. And
But
no
every
bats-
batsman,
would,
every batsman would like to play here.
yes.
Right.
So the batsmen who are sitting in dugout, they would miss this match.
Yeah.
And every bowler who are in dugout would enjoy.
But if we talk about Shreyas Iyer getting mature day by day after becoming the captain of Delhi Capitals since last season of IPL.
Yes, we must admire Shreyas Iyer for his innings of
Yeah.
88 not out in just 38 deliveries.
Right.
But the matter of worry is the form of Shikhar Dhawan. After getting good start, it is often found that he is throwing his wicket. When batsman like Pedicle is ready, then BCCI will think over him also.
Yeah.
It is a time that Shikhar Dhawan should think about his style and about his concentration of batting.
Yeah. Now let's come to the batting attack of Kolkata Knight Riders. I think I should say Kolkata Knight Riders management have to think about Sunil Narine because he is not effective in bowling as well as in opening.
Actually, Darpan, Sunil Narine has been identified. His weaknesses have been exposed.
Yeah.
He is weak against short pitch deliveries. So, like last year, he is not able to perform. The matter of worry is that he is not able to bowl nicely also. So, management will have to think over another bowler, and they can use Rahul Tripathi as an opener, because basically Rahul Tripathi is a opener.
Yeah.
And he
We
performed very nicely today. He made 36 runs in just 16 deliveries at a very crucial period of time.
Yeah. It would be incomplete without remembering batting of Ian Morgan.
Yes, Ian Morgan was more than a gun today. He hit many sixes and he was going to prove himself as a match winner.
And 3 in a row against Kangiswar Abada.
Yes, the excellent bowler was beaten excellently.
Yeah. So you cannot forget Nitish Rana today.
Yes, Nitish Rana is proving himself match by match. He plays his shots very neatly.
Yeah.
His cover drive and square drives are really watchable. And he is proving a very useful batsman as a number 3 batsman for Kolkata Knight Riders. But the failure of Shubman Gill put Kolkata Knight in trouble. I have told many times, one of the opener would have to perform very nicely, like Prithvi Shaw played in first inning of this match. So openers are going to play an important role for any matches.
Yeah. Now let's come to the bowling attack of Delhi Capitals. Rabada was good at initial stage of innings, but after end of the match, he got expensive. Then Hendrik Nortie, because of Hendrik Nortie and Harshal Patel, Kolkata Knight Riders couldn't chase a target of 229 runs.
Yes, Darpan, you are right. But on this ground, there is no guarantee that any bowler is safe.
Yeah,
Every bowler can be beaten at a point of time.
yeah. At the end of our show, what are your special words?
First thing, Kolkata Knight Riders captain will have to do something to regain his form.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it would be difficult for Kolkata Knight Riders to get on the top force list. Every batsman who is captain is leading from the front.
Yeah.
Today, Kohli also got his
Form, yeah.
and he looked in his class.
right.
But the form of
Dinesh Karthik.
कार्तिक मैंने कहा था कल ही, दिनेश कार्तिक के दिन डल रहे हैं. Today was another example of his degrading form.
So this is all about our show today. What do you think? Kolkata Knight Riders management should continue Sunil Narayan as an opener? Whatever you think, just comment down in our comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.